Okay. Hey Rain, can you draw letter A? Good job! High five. Oh, high five. Okay, what about this?
B. B. The cat is happy.
Good job! You want to write another letter? Can you write the letter W? Good job! Okay, one more. What chemical element is that?
C.
Which is?
Carbon.
What about this one?
W.
Which is?
Tungsten.
Good job. What about this chemical element?
It's silver.
Good job. Here's your pen back.
What about my W?
You want to make a small W? Okay. Good job. Okay, Daddy's turn. Okay, what number is this, Rain?
23.
Good job. What about this? Is that?
Hexagon.
Good job. And what's this?
Go.
Uh-huh. And what if I did like this?
Gold.
Good job. And what about this?
A tango.
That's very good. High five. You want this back?
Just chemical elements.
What's that say?
I like chemical elements.
Good job. Here you go.
Jumping.
That's a jelly bean. Okay. What about okay, one jelly bean.
Jelly.
Okay, read the whole sentence.
That.
Come on, right here.
That.
Huh? Here's your jelly bean. It's right here. You need to read that first.
I like to about
Jupiter. Good job. Okay, what if I said, what's that?
Ring.
Good job. High five. Good job. But what if you say this?
Up. Bop. Nope. No.
Okay, what's that one?
I have beautiful cats.
Good job. Okay, last jelly bean. Here you go.
Dripping.
Mm-hmm.